This is Cyndy G with My Scrap Chick, and in this video we are assembling the travel grease box card. So I don't know, typically when I start a travel box card, I look at what the sites are for the for the area that I'm doing, and I try to pick a couple of different sites. But as I was working on this one, the white buildings on the coastline were really all I needed to represent the area. And it stood out on its own that this was Greece. This is what people go to Greece for. Beautiful coastline. I changed the flower to some olives. Which I thought really added to the idea that this is Greece. I really, really like how this one turned out. So I just used blues. You'll want to use whatever color you use for your inserts will be the color, the outline color on your buildings. Okay, so I'm going to go to my back one. This is the other piece that makes up the box of the card. So I'm just going to glue these two together. Once I kind of get it in place, I'm going to use my table to make sure it's level. Okay, so then you're going to open this up. This is your inside piece. Now what I've done, all the buildings have a slight outline in blue across the top. So this is the only one that doesn't have another building to help you line it up, like you'll see that on the other ones. But you just want a slight outline on the top of the blue, okay? All the other ones have a piece that help you know where to line that up at. And then we're going to put our film strip right here on the back. This is for you to write a message on the back of your card. I'm going to wait to put my olives on until I'm done with the card. And now we're just going to set that aside. So this piece, now you can see, so each one of them has a rounded top building that goes all the way to the top. And that's how you know where to line it up at. And then you can see by lining this up to the top, you have this outline across the top of your buildings. This one is going to glue into the front of your card. And when I do it, I'm going to use some foam tape. So I'm not going to put it on until after I put all my pieces in. I'm putting glue on my foam tape to ensure that it stays long term. So I have had some issues with this dollar store foam. Okay, so then when you look at your inserts, let's go ahead, let me put these together first and then we'll talk about the insert. So you can fold it on your tabs. So this is a very simple design. Should go together pretty quickly for you. Again, you've got these buildings here, these two, to help you line it up. You can see there's just a slight blue outline here across the top, and then you have a couple of blue domes in some of them. I did ink the edges of my pieces with blue. It helps me with photographing white to have those blue edges, but it adds a nice touch to this card in particular as well. So the buildings kind of are stepped down, so you can see this one goes in front of this one. Okay, so this is your back piece, and we're going to pull our base in. We're going to leave it in the U. I'm going to put glue on this tab with my tabs out flat. I'm going to lay this in, and I'm going to grab it just right here in this corner. And then just make sure I've got it stuck down good. Then we're going to put it back up. I'm going to do the same thing with this, but laying it down in front of the layer behind it. Tab out flat, put it in the next corner there, just like that. Then we're going to put glue on these two tabs. And I'm going to, with this edge flat, I'm going to bring this side over, and they glue right into place. Like I said, I'm waiting to do that because the foam will actually affect how this card lays when I'm trying to assemble it. So I want to get this all put together, and then I'm going to insert my front layer. And fold it back. So the olives, I'm just going to glue together. Now in my design with this one, you'll see when you import it, if you use a machine that imports the colors, I had this front panel, a darker blue, but I didn't have a darker blue that I felt complemented the other blue. And so I put a purple in there, and I think that looks okay. I think it stays with the theme of what I'm trying to do, what the look I'm trying to, or feel I'm trying to have with the card. So I'm going to cut one of my squares in half because I'm going to pop up my olives here. Again, I'm using the glue to help my foam last long term. Doesn't take very much just to help it. So I'm just going to put that there. Add my olives. The last one I'm going to pop up. I think I only need half of the half, so a quarter. There. Now, I'm going to take my insert. I felt like I just needed another level. Now you could do this the opposite way. You can foam tape it on the top of your insert, or you can tape it to the front of the card. That's your preference. It might be easier actually to put the layer on the one in front of it. Now I'm going to have to stand this up so I can see where I want the layer to be. And I want it to be about right here. I want to make sure I can see the windows of my layer and my building behind. So there we go. And there it is. There is the travel grease box card. Thank you for joining me.